Hello viewers, welcome to Crunchpoint channel. Today we are going to see how to use Snip and Sketch in Windows 10. For that, press the Windows key and search Snip and Sketch. And press New. The first is the rectangular selection. Tap and drag so that a rectangular selection will be made. The second is the drawing selection. Draw over a path in which you want to select. Third is the window snip. Touch that option and press on a window that you want to select. The fourth is the full screen snip. Touch that to capture the full screen. Now let's see how to edit. The first one is the pen tool. You can use it to underline some words. Second is the color pencil. You can use it to underline or color something. The third is the highlighter, and the fourth one is the eraser tool. You can use it to erase something which you have done wrong in editing. And the ruler tool is used to measure the length of the picture. And this is the crop tool. You can use it to crop the image. And if you right click the ruler tool, you will see protractor, and you can use it to measure the degree of the picture. And if you click it again, it will go and you can save it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video.